Hey guys, you're welcome to today's weekly market review and happy new month to everyone. So this is the second month of the year 2026 and I'm going to be reviewing some certain pairs that we're going to be trading for the month. All right, so the first one is gold as usual, in which many of us are trading. So my last analysis on gold came out remarkably well. All right, and if you've been following me, you would have heard where I talked about when there is a massive push to the upside or downside, there'll be a corresponding movement in price. And that is exactly what happened with gold. So we're buying gold for the past 2 weeks and it got to all-time high and started dumping. Why? Because a lot of people who have been holding gold started taking profit and there was a corresponding movement in price. That's what's led to this massive dump. And if you were buying at this high right here, what's going to happen to you? Your account is going to be taken out or your stop loss is going to be taken out. Okay, so what are we going to be looking at in this month of February? All right, so gold is currently sitting on a reasonable place in which it has shown rejection. So we're still going to buy gold, but as long as fundamental does not come to change structure, we are still going to buy gold, but the market structure has to give us a good insight of what we're going to be looking at before we can enter for a buy. All right, so market is rejecting off of this zone right here, and this is where it's currently at. So what point are we looking at to take our entries? All right, so let's not forget our trend line when price has been bearish. Okay, so what is going to prove and get us for a good buy, okay, is that market needs to do a very nice market structure shift. On which time frame is that going to take place? So let's go to 1 hour and see the previous lower high. And all right, so this is the previous lower high we have on 1 hour time frame. So where we're going to be looking at for a push in price is where market takes out this lower high right here. But at the meantime, we can take advantage of a short buy. It was kind of risky. So with the setup we have right here, market has did a structural shift, okay, in the lower time frame of 15 minutes. So price is going to push as high as this to this region of lower low. Okay, so that's just a temporary buy. But if you want to start riding good for a buy, you have to wait for price to take out this high. So when price take out the high, we wait for a proper liquidity setup. Then we look out for other things that we normally teach in the private community. Okay, so this is the high we're looking at, lower high that we're looking out for price to take out before we can wait for other opportunities, other things that aligns with our setup before we can continue riding by. All right, but at the meantime, this is the setup that we have. If price goes south, then we'll see what we can do as regards entering gold. Always remember that you need to apply proper risk management to every of your trades, okay? Because we are not the owners of the Forex market. Okay, so make sure you manage your risks properly. So this is just a prediction to what we're looking out for. All right. So stay safe, stay and don't blow your account, okay? Protect your capital. So let's go into the next pair, which is one of my favorite pairs with GJ actually. Yeah, so GJ, what setup do we have? We go to the higher time frame to see what we have. Okay, GJ have been bullish, as you guys can see. We scale down to 4 hours time frame. All right, so at this point, we have price rejecting off of this zone here. All right, and this is the highest point GJ has gotten to now. So price started ranging like this and breaking structures, as you can see. Here is a structure it broke. All right, so we scaled down to 1 hour time frame and see what we have. We took advantage of this sell in which we posted. I'm sure you guys must have seen that on our social media platform. Okay, so price has taken out this high. So what next for us? What is next? What do we do? Do we buy or do we sell? With what I'm seeing, we see opportunity to do what? To buy. All right, because price has taken this high, which has done the market structure shift right there. So where is our entry time frame? 15 minutes, 5 minutes is our entry time frame. All right, so we have price sitting here and consolidating, in which we have as accumulation. So then we'll wait for a proper manipulation before a distribution is going to take place. So with what I'm saying right here, price is supposed to do something like this. Then, all right, okay. So this is what I'm expecting price to do, actually. So, but we'll wait for a manipulation in price, where price take out structure, and we'll see what we can enter for distribution. So, but in general, I'm looking at buying GJ, all right? So I'm targeting this high for a swing. Remember that when you are swing trading, your SL needs to be a breathable SL, not SL that is for scalping or day trading, okay? So let's get our long position. So wait for market to open actually before we actually do anything. But I'm looking out for opportunities to buy. Okay, these are about 40 pips to swing. Then targeting 270 pips. All right, so that's a very good one, a very good risk, okay? Okay, all right, so this is what we have on GJ. So those of us in the funded traders group, we know how we roll. Okay, so once we see a massive setup, we share in the community, okay? So you can actually take good trades. So if you want to join us in our funded traders group, use the promo code FSMedia28, small letter, and register in TENTRADE broker. All right, so get your prop firm account and send me proof, okay? If you don't want to trade with your prop firm, you have opportunities to trade with your real capital. Okay, your real capital is tradable. And while you trade, you can earn points that you can use to redeem prizes. All right, like $100, a MacBook Pro, a Ferrari. Yes, if you think I'm joking, go to TENTRADE website and you see it right there. Okay, so you can trade with your real funds with us. We provide quality signals for you as long as you use our promo code or link to register. So you're good to go. You're not subscribing. The best media is good in giving out massive opportunities to everyone. So don't sleep on this opportunity, this 2026, okay? Don't sleep. This is the second month. Have you made money in January? If you haven't, don't sleep. Those of us that have made money in January, we are not exempted. You have to make money in February as well. Okay, so this is what I'm looking at generally for the month of February. As time goes on, we'll see if there's a change in market structure, then we know where to enter from. Okay, so the last one I'm going to be looking into is BTC, guys. BTC has been dumping massively. Yeah, it's been dumping. Look at, started selling from all-time high. Yeah, during October, and look at, it's been bearish all the way. All right, so what chance do we have? So with the setup we're having here, I'm seeing a reasonable zone right here where price is likely going to react. Okay, price hasn't mitigated this zone. So with what I'm saying right here, I expect price to come to this zone and buy. But let's scale down to the lower time frame. All right, so this is what we have in lower time frame. Price is extremely bearish. So if you are going to buy for long, market has to balance. There is what we call balance. You don't expect markets to just come down to this zone, then do what? Then just fly up. No, there's what we call balancing the market. Market needs to balance. It needs to create, it needs to arrange itself to gather momentum before pushing. You understand? So at the meantime, what am I going to be doing for BTC? I'm going to wait for BTC. Okay. So right here, we have price ranging here. Okay. So price is still going to dump further. So where is price going to start rejecting from? Let's look at the dump. This is where price is. So I expect price to go lower. Then get to a psychological level here, which is a reasonable one. So I expect price to still go lower. I'm going to put it there. BTC is not closed anyway. You can, I don't know the time you're watching this video, but I believe I'm training traders, and traders, if you are new, anyway, you know, you have opportunity to join the academy so you can understand fully what we're doing right here. So I expect price to still dump lower. Then getting down to this level. So this is what I expect price to do, then getting to this level, price is going to react for a buy. But we don't just jump in. We don't just jump in. We actually look out for other things. But for now, BTC is extremely bearish. Okay, so with the setups we have here, market is still going to go lower. Okay, so I'm going to enter the markets as well, but once I'm done with this video. All right, guys, so this is what we actually have for now on gold, GBPJPY, BTC, USD for now. So in our next market review, either I go live or I make a video like this to share with you guys. So please and please don't take this opportunity I'm giving to you guys for granted. Make sure you use it for yourself and make money this year. Make sure you are earning in dollars. All right. So like I said, if you want to be part of FX Media, you can send us a DM, or you want to be part of our funded traders group. I already told you guys what to do. It's very easy. All right. You're not going to see this on the internet. Everybody, even your big idolos, charge you for helping you to provide signals and pass your funded accounts. All right. So, but here in FX Media, this is what we do for the community, because we want people to make money just like how we're making money. All right, guys. So if you're new to this channel, click the subscription button, turn on the notification so that you will not miss any other quality contents we're going to be dropping. So you can, the goal is to make money. That's just it. The goal is to make money, and you need a mentor that will guide you. All right. So guys, see you in my next video. Do have a lovely month. All right. Bye.